Our oceans are in big trouble. As you probably know, our oceans are warming up. The water's getting hotter and hotter, and this is causing coral reefs around the world to bleach and die. You've probably seen those images of the coral bleaching before. It looks like the coral has been burned by a fire, but it's actually being slowly cooked by the rising water temperature. Hotter surface waters also mean less snow and ice at the poles, which melts the ice caps and raises sea levels. This puts coastal communities at risk of flooding and storm surges. Plastic pollution is another major problem. Every minute of every day, a truckload of plastic waste enters our oceans. This plastic doesn't just pollute the ocean. It kills hundreds of thousands of sea animals every year, including turtles, seals, dolphins, and whales. Most of this plastic comes from land-based sources, like single-use plastics. These are things like plastic bags, bottles, and food packaging that's designed to be used just once and then thrown away. But if we all stop using these single-use plastics and start using reusable ones instead, we could drastically reduce the amount of plastic entering our oceans. Overfishing is another major problem. 90% of the fish stocks in the ocean are either fully exploited or overfished. That means that we're catching fish faster than they can reproduce, which means that some species like cod and tuna could collapse in the next few decades. If this happens, it won't just be the fish that suffers. Many coastal communities rely on fishing as their primary source of protein and income. The ocean is also becoming more acidic. As we burn fossil fuels, we release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Some of this carbon is absorbed by the ocean, where it reacts with seawater to form carbonic acid. This acid weakens the shells and skeletons of marine organisms like corals, clams, and oysters. It also makes it harder for them to reproduce and grow. There are solutions to these problems. We need to reduce our greenhouse gas emissions, phase out single-use plastics, stop overfishing, and create more protected areas in the ocean. If we all work together, we can protect our oceans and ensure that they're healthy for generations to come. So what can you do to help? Say no to single-use plastics. Choose sustainable seafood, hold corporations and governments accountable, and spread the word to your friends and family. Our oceans are the lifeblood of our planet. They cover over 70% of the Earth's surface and contain over 97% of the planet's water. The ocean produces over 50% of the oxygen we breathe, regulates our climate, and provides food and livelihoods for billions of people. It's home to a quarter of all animal species on Earth. The ocean is in crisis, but so are we, and together we can turn the tide. Will you be an Earth warrior for the ocean? Will you join us?